Hello guys, hope you are all fine and taking good care of your health. Welcome to this video. In this video we are solving question number 2, part number 1 of exercise 4.2. You must note these questions on your classwork notebooks and then submit on Saturday. Question number 2, first part is 3 multiplied by 4, 3 multiplied by 5 whole raised to power 4 is equal to 3 raised to power 4 multiply 5 raised to power 4. Now here first of all we are solving its left hand side, that is 3 multiplied by 5 raised to power 4, that will be equal to 3 5 the 15 raised to power 4. It means 15 is multiplying how much times? 4 times, because its exponent is 4, its power is 4, so it multiplies with 4 times. When we multiply it with 4 times, we get 50,625. Now we are solving its right hand side. Its right hand side is 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 5 raised to power 4. It means 3 is multiplying how much times? 4 times. And also 5 is multiplying how much times? 4 times. Now 3 3 the 9, 3 the 27, 3 the 81, 5 5 the 25, 25 5 the 125, 125 5 the 625. So here we get 625. When we multiply 81 and 625, we get 50,625. As left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved left hand side. In the last you write hence proved left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now we are solving its part number 2. Part number 2 is also same as first part, but we solve it for 7 multiplied by 9 raised to power 8 is equal to 7 raised to power 8 multiplied by 9 raised to power 8. First of all, we solve left hand side. Left hand side is 7 multiplied by 9, 7 9. 7 multiplied by 9 raised to power 8. 7 9 the 63 raised to power 8. Now we are solving its right hand side. Right hand side is 7 raised to power 8 multiplied by 9 raised to power 8. You know that we have an indices rule, that is a multiplied by m multiplied by b raised to power m. Bases are different but powers are same. We can write it like this: a multiplied by b raised to power m. So here we get 7 multiplied by 9 raised to power 8, 7 9 the 63 raised to power 8. Hence prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. You can also solve question number 1 till you can write it like this: 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 5 raised to power 4, that will be equal to 3 multiplied by 5 raised to power 4, 3 5 the 15 raised to power 4, and here you write 15 raised to power 4. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, but if you want to solve like this, you can also solve like this. This is the second method. You can also solve like this part. Left hand side is till this and right hand side is this. Now I am solving its part number 5. Its part number 5 is 8 raised to power 5 multiplied by 8 raised to power 7, that will be equal to 8 raised to power 12. Here we write left hand side left hand side is 8 raised to power 5 multiplied by 8 raised to power 7. By here you write a line by using rule. Which rule? A raised to power m multiply a raised to power n. When bases are same, powers will be added. Here we get 8 raised to power 5 plus 7. In the last we get 8 raised to power 12. This is the answer. Now I am solving its part number 6. Part number 6 is p raised to power r multiply p raised to power s is equal to p raised to power r plus s. Now here first of all write left hand side, then write left hand side, that is p raised to power r multiply p raised to power s. Then write this rule here, and then write a second line, that p raised to power r plus s, and then write a line here right hand side. In the last write hence proved. This is the answer. Now we are solving next exercise. Next exercise is exercise 4.3. So here I write exercise 4.3. Question number 1. Must write these questions on your classwork registers. Part number 1, that is 2 raised to power 7 divide by 2 raised to power 2. Before solving this question we learn a rule, that is if a raised to power n divide by a raised to power m, when bases are same and dividing, powers will be subtracted n minus m. This situation is also can be written as a raised to power n divided by a raised to power m. Here these are also dividing, when bases are same and dividing, powers will be subtracted. This is a rule. So here by using a rule, what rule? A raised to power n divided by a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power n minus m. Here we get, here cut these lines. Two raised to power 7 minus 2 raised to power 7 minus 2. We are applying this rule. 7 minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 5. 2 raised to power 5 means 2 is multiplying 5 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. This is the answer of question number 1, part number 1. Now I am solving its part number 3. Its part number 3 is 3 raised to power 4 divided by 5 raised to power 4. In this situation you can see bases are different but powers are same. So here we apply a rule that I write here by using a rule. Which rule? A raised to power n divided by b raised to power n, that will be equal to a divided by b raised to power n. We write it in a single form like multiply. So here the answer will be 3 over 5 raised to power 4. This is the 3 over 5 raised to power 4. it means it is multiplying 4 times 3 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 5. In this case, we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 3 3 the 9, 9 3 the 27, 27 3 the 81, 5 5 the 25, 25 5 the 125, 125 5 the 625. This is the answer. Now I am solving its part number 4. Its part number 4 is m raised to power 3, m raised to power 3 divided by n raised to power 3 by using a rule, that is a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m. You can also write here n. So a over b raised to power m. So its answer will be m over n raised to power 3. This is the answer. Now I am solving its 5 part. Remaining parts we solve next in next question. A raised to power 7 divided by a raised to power 2. Then write down these lines again at this point. After writing these lines, write these lines are not for this question. So here a raised to power 7 divided by a raised to power 2. By here I am writing those lines that you have to write here by using a rule. That rule is a raised to power n divided by a raised to power m. Answer will be a raised to power n minus m. So here a raised to power 7 divided by a raised to power 2. When bases are same and dividing, powers will be subtracted. Here we get a raised to power 5. This is the answer. I hope you understand this. If you have any problem